Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Essential Toyota Highlander Maintenance Tips. Regular maintenance is key to keeping your Toyota Highlander running smoothly and efficiently. In this video, we'll cover essential tips to help you get the most out of your vehicle. You'll learn about crucial areas like engine care, transmission maintenance, and interior upkeep. These insights will not only extend the life of your SUV but also ensure it performs at its best. Get ready to dive into practical advice that will make your Highlander last longer and drive better, saving you time and money in the long run. Understanding your Toyota Highlander maintenance schedule. Keeping your Toyota Highlander in top shape means following a regular maintenance schedule. Doing so can prevent major issues and help your SUV run smoothly for years. Let's dive into the specifics of what you need to check daily, weekly, monthly, and quarterly. Daily and weekly checks. Staying on top of simple daily and weekly checks can save you from more significant problems later. Think of these as routine health checkups for your car. Tire pressure. It's critical to keep your tires properly inflated. Check the pressure every week. This not only improves fuel efficiency but also ensures your safety on the road. Oil levels. Check the oil level and its color. If the oil is too low or dark, it might be time for a change. Doing this once a week is a good habit. Lights. Ensure all lights, headlights, brake lights, and turn signals are functioning well. A quick daily check when you start the car can help you avoid tickets and stay safe. Monthly and quarterly inspections. More in-depth inspections should be done monthly and quarterly to catch any potential issues early. Here's a list of what to focus on. Fluid checks. Check all the essential fluids like coolant, brake fluid, and windshield washer fluid. These fluids keep your vehicle running smoothly and safely. Battery health. Inspect the battery terminals for any corrosion and ensure the connections are tight. If the battery's more than 3 years old, think about having it tested. Brake inspections. Your brakes are crucial for safety. Check the brake pads for wear and ensure the brake fluid is at the proper level. Doing this every 3 months can prevent brake failure. Following these simple yet effective checks and inspections can keep your Toyota Highlander running efficiently and prevent costly repairs down the road. Regular maintenance isn't just about fixing problems, it's about preventing them from happening in the first place. Engine maintenance. Maintaining your Toyota Highlander's engine is crucial for its long-term performance and reliability. Proper engine care can prevent many issues and keep your vehicle running smoothly. Oil changes. Regular oil changes are essential to keeping your engine in top condition. The oil lubricates the engine's moving parts, reducing friction and preventing wear and tear. Without regular oil changes, the oil can become dirty and lose its effectiveness, leading to engine damage. Recommended intervals. Every 5,000 to 7,500 miles. Check your owner's manual for the specific interval recommended for your Highlander. This range applies whether you use conventional or synthetic oil. More frequent changes. If you often drive in severe conditions, like extreme temperatures or towing, you might need to change the oil more often. Air filter replacement. The air filter keeps dust, dirt, and debris from entering the engine. A clean air filter ensures your engine gets enough clean air, which is important for combustion and overall performance. When to replace. The general rule is to replace the air filter every 15,000 to 30,000 miles. However, if you drive in dusty conditions, you might need to replace it more often. How to replace. Replacing the air filter is straightforward. Open the hood, locate the air filter housing, remove the old filter, and pop in a new one. Always consult your owner's manual for specific instructions. Impact on performance. Improved fuel efficiency. A dirty air filter can restrict airflow, causing the engine to work harder and consume more fuel. Better acceleration. Clean air filters enhance engine performance and responsiveness. Spark plugs and ignition system. Spark plugs ignite the air-fuel mixture in the engine, so maintaining them is vital for smooth engine operation. Neglecting spark plugs can lead to poor engine performance and decreased fuel efficiency. Maintenance schedule. Every 30,000 to 100,000 miles. Depending on the type of spark plugs used, this range can vary. Check your owner's manual for the specific schedule. Inspect regularly. Even if replacement isn't needed, inspect the spark plugs every 30,000 miles for signs of wear or damage. Ignition system components. Distributor cap and rotor. These should be checked and replaced if worn or damaged. Ignition wires. Over time, ignition wires can deteriorate. Inspect them during spark plug replacements to ensure they are in good condition. Benefits of regular maintenance. Smooth engine operation. Well-maintained spark plugs and ignition system components ensure efficient combustion. Fuel efficiency. Properly working ignition components help the engine use fuel more effectively, saving you money at the pump. Regular engine maintenance keeps your Toyota Highlander running at its best. By following these guidelines for oil changes, air filter replacements, and spark plug maintenance, you ensure a long and healthy life for your vehicle. Transmission maintenance. Keeping the transmission system in your Toyota Highlander healthy is crucial for smooth and reliable shifting. Without proper maintenance, you might face costly repairs and inconvenient breakdowns. Understanding how to care for your transmission can make a significant difference in your vehicle's performance and longevity. Transmission fluid check and change. Regularly checking and changing your transmission fluid is essential for the health of your Highlander's transmission. How to check fluid. Warm up the engine. Start your vehicle and let it reach normal operating temperature. Locate dipstick. Find the transmission fluid dipstick, usually marked in red or yellow, and located near the engine bay. Check fluid level. Pull out the dipstick, wipe it clean, reinsert it fully, then pull it out again to check the fluid level. Ensure it's between the full and low marks. Fluid change intervals. Every 30,000 to 60,000 miles. It's generally recommended to change the transmission fluid within this range. Always refer to your owner's manual for the manufacturer's specific guidelines. More frequent changes. If you often tow heavy loads or drive in severe conditions, consider changing the fluid more frequently. Steps to change fluid. Thanks for watching part 1 of our Toyota Highlander maintenance series. Stay tuned for part 2, where we'll cover more essential maintenance advice. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.